Hello there. If you select shutdown but your PC restarts, then this video is going to solve the problem for you. Simply go to start and then settings. On the system, go to about. Under device specifications, go to advanced system settings. On advanced tab, startup and recovery, system startup, system failure and debugging information. Click settings. Now simply uncheck automatically restart. And this is responsible for the issue you are facing. Click OK and done. And this will fix the problem or issue in your PC and if your PC restarts after shutting down. Okay, and I hope it helped you and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.